Today was my first day and they wanted to do an audiogram, and basically I went to this soundproof booth and there's a bunch of beeps and you have to reply to it or make sure you hear the beep when you press a button, and then there's a part where it's like beeping in one ear and then static in the other ear, and that one's kind of hard because you have to differentiate between the two ears and you press the button when it beeps. And then there's a speaking part where you relay back what you hear. First the audiologist does it, she speaks, and you just repeat the words like popcorn and ice cream. And I guess the point of the speech one is to pick up on different speech patterns, or different what's the word I'm looking for? Enunciation and stuff like that. See what you can decipher within everyday conversation.